Welcome to Bright Lines, the Trina Tracker experience. In this episode, we'll talk about how we build strong relationships with our customers, based on transparency, trust, and alignment. Throughout every project, we keep customers informed and engaged. Regular updates and open communication help us align expectations and avoid surprises. We believe the key to a successful project lies in setting clear expectations from day one. That's why we work closely with our customers from the start, listening to their needs and aligning every milestone to their vision. At Trina, customer satisfaction isn't just a goal, it's part of our DNA.